You might not believe, but the kind of progress I have seen in my speaking English in past 5 months, I never achieved it in the past 5 years. So if you are also an English learner struggling with English and your mind goes blank, you get nervous and you don't know like what to speak, what kind of technique you should follow, then honestly speaking, the technique I am about to share today is something I personally use every single day and I never get bored of this technique. So you can also start applying this technique today itself. And if you watch this video till the end without skipping, then by the end of this video, you will have the complete and powerful system to learn English. So the technique I am talking about is start teaching English. What if I tell you the best way to learn English is not by learning it, but by teaching it? Wait, I just revealed the secret of learning English just right now? What? Are you serious, Mamta? You are telling me to teach English? I can't even properly speak without stammering. Every time I open my mouth, I mix up words, I forget grammar rules, and I sound like a fool in front of everybody. And here you are telling me that I should teach English. Are you joking or secretly just testing my patience? I'm already trying so hard, but now it seems that now you are also just making fun of me. Hey, calm down. Nobody is making fun of you. I know that feeling very well. Like when someone is saying, tell me about yourself, and suddenly your English runs away faster than your Wi Fi signal in the rainy season. But why does this happen? You tell me. Because we only consume English, we don't produce it. It's like eating every day but never exercising. You will feel full, but you won't get stronger. You think that teaching means standing in front of the class with perfect grammar? No, actually, no. I'm just saying teach yourself out loud. Pick one tiny topic like articles or daily routine, explain it as if you were teaching someone else. Suppose you have picked the topic since and for. Now you know what, among the English learner there's a huge confusion that where to use since and for. Watch YouTube videos to learn it, or you can go to ChatGPT to learn about it. Okay, I will just suggest that 15 minutes or 20 minutes learn it, and then stand in the front of the mirror or your camera and then explain it. Teaching is a part of learning. It's not like you are just teaching, you are learning English that way. Think of this way, when you try to explain something, even like you become clumsy that time, your brain starts hunting for the right words, the logic behind that thing. That's the good thing, that's the like bottom line of teaching English. Now you try to find the pattern, that's the learning moment, that's the learning part. It's not about teaching, okay, it's about learning. You don't have to teach perfectly, you just speak your understanding aloud. You don't have to teach English perfectly, you just learn 15 minutes and then you just produce it. That's it, that's the thing like you have to do. Now don't be confused that what kind of topics we should take every day and what we should teach. Don't be confused about it. I am giving you 30 days of plan to describing and to teaching topics I am giving you. Okay, now I will give this topics in the description, you can copy from that or you can paste it in your notes, and every day please accept this challenge, and I'm 99% sure if you do it, if you accept this challenge and if you dedicate yourself every single day towards this challenge, then by the end of this month, like 30 like last day, by the end of this month you will see a utmost progress. Okay, extreme level of progress you can see. Most people think that confidence comes first, but it doesn't. Confidence shows up after you have already started doing the uncomfortable things. You don't need to feel confident for teaching yourself. Confidence comes in the journey. Okay, this plan is special because your all the sensation becomes active when you start doing it. When you start teaching, your mind is totally active. And when you prepare for the topic, you are reading, you are listening, you are writing the topic, everything you are doing. That's why this plan itself is special. So here it's extremely important to clear about your why. That why are you learning English? What will happen if you will not learn English? Okay, this fear, the sense of urgency is necessary because it keeps you going on. In my case, my why was crystal clear. Without it, nothing would have worked. Believe me, in the first 3 years, I understood almost nothing, but I never stopped. I never gave up. Why? Because my why was clear. Even I also did this mistake that I consumed English a lot and learning grammar rules, collecting vocabularies, collecting sentences, and that's exactly why, out of the blue, I decided to teach myself. Nobody told me that the idea of just teaching English, it just popped up into my head. Nobody told me this. So, if you truly want to learn something, teach it. Okay, don't say I don't even understand it myself, so how will I teach someone? That's not true. When you explain a topic to someone else, your brain switches into active mode. It forces you to organize your thoughts, simplify concepts, and exposes your weak spots. This is the one of the reasons that why I started my YouTube channel, because every day I was just speaking a topic and speaking it in front of the mirror. So one day I thought, why not to just record it in my phone and do some kind of little bit editing and upload it on YouTube. That's why I started it. But if you don't believe on my words, you can check out my old videos, how I was speaking at that time and now how I speak. So you can check my progress there, and that's the bottom line why I am saying you that you should start learning English. So don't waste your time in planning things I have already planned for you. Okay, so 30 days of plan you can find in the description. So what are you waiting for? Just keep your phone aside and take this challenge and start this 30 days challenge today itself.